Cleaned cassava? Great! Now don't move your eyes. Follow me to unlock the second step of garri production. Processing part. In this step, you will see an amazing scene. Cassava is ground, fermented, and dewatered to become wet garri. Cassava grater grinds 1 ton cleaned cassava in an hour. Double finer texture, top quality garri. Once peeled cassava tubers enter the cavity of grater. They will move to the space between rollers. Under the drive of high-speed rotating rotor, the rollers rotate to crush the tubers into mash, thus achieving high grating effect. The crushing extent and feeding amount can be adjusted by the adjusting plate at the side. The larger the gap, the larger the granularity, the larger the yield. Then the key section comes fermentation. Ground cassava mash will be packed in bags for 24 hours to get fermented. This will put a soul into garri, the unique sour flavor. Later, hydraulic press will reduce the water of fermented cassava mash down to less than 40%. Firstly, pull the cylinder out. Secondly, put fermented garri in. Thirdly, press the mash by hydraulic pumping station. Then you will witness the extra water pressed flows out from the press barrel hole. Shocked by the cassava to wet garri scenes? Focus us! Next we will show you the frying step, in which you will see the birth of standard garri.